Welcome to the world of listening. It's the single most important technique that a sales rep needs to learn. I'm going to give you now 5 very important steps that are going to make a big significant difference. The first most important one is the art of smiling. Now if you think about it, a smile doesn't cost you anything, but boy does it relax your customer. So the first most important thing is to smile, and here's a good reason for doing it. You only use 13 muscles smiling, you use 87 frowning. So smile at your customers and get them relaxed. Next most important step. Ask open-ended questions. Now closed questions are those ones that start with did, do, are, may or if. But look at these magic words. What, when, where, why, which or how. When you ask a question starting with one of those, your customer's got to answer it. So when you think about the concept, if you say, what did you actually want us to achieve, you will get answers. And the second most important reason for asking open-ended questions is it takes less time. If you ask a closed question, you get a yes-no answer, which means you'll have to answer another question. If you ask an open-ended questions, you will always get an answer and you can move on. So if you want to save time, ask open-ended questions. Now take a chance now and think of an open-ended question that you could ask a customer. It's got to start with what, when, where, why, which or how. Okay, so now you've got the first most important skill. Now if you write that down, really make sure that's your first most important point that you've got to remember. Now our next step in the listening technique is shut up. Stop talking. Listen for the facts. When you've asked an open-ended question, stop talking. Listen, and you can do a couple of very interesting simple little things. One is you can nod your head while you're talking to the customer, and of course they're going to start talking. The second one, of course, is think of the power of the pen. Just pull a pen from your pocket and hold it in your hand. And I haven't got a pen.